true hippie.
So is the juice worth the squeeze? Is it condom worth the ease? Is it slanging worth your knees? Bottle of Bucky worth your wallet and your keys? Is the juice worth the squeeze? Is she worth your sanity? All this paper worth these trees? Is the juice worth the squeeze?
Is the juice worth the squeeze? I got no sides or themes. I float tight like jeans. I sit back and I sit black and I smoke on some green. My life's a meme, delivering schemes. Late hours, shivering screams. Abusing my lungs on my liver it seems. Neglect and balance forever it leans. To all the reactions, things in the scene. Luke 16, that's in my jeans. Alright, 16, 16s, eat beans, not beans. Fuck what it means. Trying to live life, not balance one. You put in workers that count, son. Trying to serve straight with the balance swung. Wouldn't work, flame to your ear like a fucking Turk. East Barber, blade sharper, smirk Hayden, Pearl Harbor, me a darker, socially scarper, head pickled, hard, cracked armor, non-starter.
So is the juice worth the squeeze? Is the come down worth the ease? Is the slanging worth your knees? Bottle of Bucky worth your wallet and your keys? Is the juice worth the squeeze? Is she worth your sanity? All this paper worth these trees? Is the juice worth the squeeze? Don't think so, let me know though I'm slanging dope. Cause of the amount of the smoke. Still grab a load of the oak when I feel that choke at the back of my throat. Heading the door as I roll my feet in the snow until the custom goes and the shutters are closed. If you know then you know, if you know then you know yourself. Don't chase the jacker, wealth can't buy you good out for respect for yourself. But yes, it helps when picking groceries off the shelf. Was that snake worth that belch? Or was it good right bottom mouth? Was that joyride worth the punishment you were dealt? All them wingers worth them days in bed and missed dinners. You're looking a bit different than your Daphne, looking thinner. Eyes all red like you're just out the swimmers. You haven't spoke to your man weeks and you're scared to fucking ring her. So is the juice worth the squeeze? Is it condom worth the ease? Is it slanging worth their knees? Bottle of Bucky worth your wallet and your keys? Is the juice worth the squeeze? Is she worth your sanity? All this paper worth these trees? Is the juice worth the squeeze?
Squeezing the juice, stepping the beat like the beat is my shoe. Listen to me and you see what I do. Living room studio, me and the crew. DC, who you texting who? She told me she had sex with who? Riddle with rhythm, I get them and hit them. Now sit down and fuck up and next is you. But not sniffing glue to the face goes blue. Don't need the rain just to pull up our hood. All feeling pain for the years that we grew. Busting my balls as we get new shoes. What you been through? Sticky scenarios almost like glue. Lifestyle like a boy named Sue. And it's been a while since I heard some new in-depth poetry. And I'm not being rude, this is average hip-hop. I'm just spreading the truth. I eat, I sleep, I live in a booth. Lyrical presence like a sore tooth. You can't ignore the doom, I'm pouring juice. It ain't till the morning dew. I'm here to amuse you for the words I spew. Steve Love.
So is the juice worth the squeeze? Is it condom worth the ease? Is it slanging worth your knees? Bottle of Bucky worth your wallet and your keys? Is the juice worth the squeeze? Is she worth your sanity? All this paper worth these trees? Is the juice worth the squeeze?
O28 ODC.
94.9 FM in the morning, Pina Colada edition.
What do you think about Facts in the bark for true, woof woof. Bark on the roof, bark at soldiers, bark at the troops, bark at the cops, bark at the news, bark for facts in the bark for truth. Don't claim to be no Christian.